hours after the raid on Macon. We're heading up an all-out assault on Peleliu Island. No POWs to rescue this time. Our mission? Take the airfield and cripple their supply network. Alongside familiar faces, fresh-faced recruits. The older guys like Miller, Sergeant Sullivan, and myself. We're known as the old breed. Old. We're not even out of our 20s.
It's time.
Good luck, all of you. This is it, Miller.
Okay, keep it together and we'll get through this in 3 days.
There they go. Bastards ain't gonna know what hit them.
Navy's been bombing the hell out of the island for 2 days straight. Miller, we hit any resistance on the beach? You get on that radio and call for immediate missile support.
Don't think twice.
Bula, I want you up the beach and at that tree line ASAP. You're on point as we move inland.
Got it.
What the hell?
Is that one of ours?
Fuck. East Ridge. There's a 200-millimeter on the point.
Stay with it, Marine.
Another OVT's been hit!
Everyone, keep your heads down. You hear me?
20 seconds!
Hang in there, kid.
We need to get off this thing!
Driver, drop the rail. I'm ready to zero in on us anytime.
It's the Coral! We're stuck on the...
Drop the rail! I got you, Miller. You're still in one piece. Plan's gone to shit. Tojo's got a defensive line dug in just beyond the tree line. With a heavy MG fire tearing up the beach. Call in rocket strikes on those positions. Now! What are you waiting for, Miller?
Bravo Salvo, HE, Waco, 8-1, Azimuth, 3-5, range 2-8, on the way.
Where's the fire coming from?
Don't let him get a fix on you!
What the hell went wrong? There wasn't supposed to be any resistance!
That rocket strike should have softened him up.
Stay down! What do we do? Get moving! Find the Sarge!
Everyone ready? Up and over!
Get close!
Put him down! MG now!
Hit the deck!
Flamethrower, move up!
Fix bayonets! Use them if you have to! Pick it up! Push through their line!
Flank left around the bunker. Bandai charge! We're not gonna hold back. Stay on him! Eyes down, another MG.
Miller, take it out! Keep it tight!
They're coming over the wall. Stay with me, Miller. Clear out the trenches. Stay with me, Miller.
I can see him! At the embankment!
Clear out the trenches.
Keep pushing! Pushing! Coming our way!
Right on target. Sullivan, the tree. Good shot, Miller. Take him down. Stay together.
Hold on! North, southwest! Everyone, keep them here!
You're on out. They could be
Get in there! See if you can get a flanking position!
Miller, you gotta take him by surprise. Let's get the jump on these guys. We got him. Hit him hard. Keep firing. Another one down. Up the ladder. Shit, quarter pit behind us. They've got those squads pinned down.
Get on those MGs and count them off!
Enemy tanks! Through those rockets! Brigade, get down! Up the ladder! Clear them out! Forward, we're moving! Quarter pit behind us. They've got those squads pinned down.
Get on those MGs and count them off!
Enemy tanks! Call those rockets!
Coordinates received. Target hit. Fire support ready. Stay your target. Hello on target. HE barrage available.
Outstanding, Marine!
Check your fire. Target.
All of you.
Everyone, on me.
Align. See your target. Over.
What now, Sarge?
Secure the surrounding area. Wait for the Major's orders.
we rest?
Soon, Pulaski. Soon.
No! Sullivan, no! Hold on! You're gonna be okay! Corpsman!